What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be installing some BC coilovers on the M3. The car is sitting so high right now and it just doesn't look good. And I also got new wheels for it, which will be in the next video. After we install the coilovers to make it look a little lower. Okay, so I got the car on jack stands, and what you're going to want to do next is remove everything on top, which gives you access to the coilovers from the top. You're going to need a 10mm and you're going to turn this, which unlocks all these clips, and then you're going to undo everything here, which is clips, and the top cover should come right off. Look who came to help. Look at that funny ass fender, bro. Look at that. What's up, bro?
What's good, bro?
Oh, it's been so long. Okay, so we took all the covers off and now we have access to these 5 bolts for the coilovers on top. And from underneath, you're going to want to undo this, which is a 16. This bolt as well, which is also 16. You also want to detach these cables so when the hub goes down, it won't stretch it. There's also a sensor here that you can undo. There's a speed sensor down here that you can undo, which is a 10mm, so it doesn't break when the hub goes down. Okay, so we just got the strut out. And if you don't have a chisel or strut spreader to spread this open, you can just hammer it while pulling it out and it should come right off. We got the new front coilovers right here, and now we just got to feed it in and hopefully it goes in nicely. So all you got to do now is reverse the process and tighten everything back together. Okay, so I just put the front BC coilovers in. It's looking a lot lower than before already. Time to do the rears. So for the rear coilovers, all you're gonna need is an E12 socket, which is the star shape, to undo these 3 bolts up top. And at the bottom, you're gonna wanna undo this, which is an 18mm. And you can either undo this bolt or the other bolt, which is the 21mm. And then the strut and the spring should come right off. I'm also going to keep a little bit of tension at the bottom here so that the spring won't fly away when I undo everything. And there's a sensor up here that you just got to remove, and a sensor down here that you have to remove as well, and it should come right out. Here are the difference between the old and the new BC coilovers. So keep in mind that the old ones do have sensors, but the new coilovers do not. So your car will throw a fault code and you will have to get it coded out or buy a dummy sensor for it to not throw fault codes. You do have to take this top hat off and transfer it to the new BC coilovers, which is just an 18mm bolt on top. And you'll have to take the sensor off and transfer this cover and this plastic bit onto your new BC coilovers too. Okay, so I transferred the top hat onto the new BC coilovers, and now you just put it back in and reverse everything. Okay, so once you have the coils in, you're going to want to jack it up and make sure that everything is in right and that nothing is loose. And then you're going to want to set the preload to about 5 mils. And right here it says 220, which is the length of the spring. So you're going to compress it down to 215. Once the preload is done, you just twist this until the holes line up and you put the bolts in. Okay, so I finished putting the coilovers on. I was going to reveal the wheels in the next episode, but I did have to go to Melbourne the next day, so I didn't have time to make a new video for you guys installing the wheels. So I'm just going to reveal it in this video as well. And look how good this looks. The fitment is just so nice. Look how good this fitment is, guys. If you're wondering what the wheels are, they're SSR's SP3s. 19 by 9.5s in the fronts and 19 by 10.5s in the rears. I did max out the coilovers on the front and it's sitting pretty low right now. I've actually scraped it a few times already, just driving around the street testing the new coilovers out. I might need bigger tires on the front if I want to get a better lip to fender fitment. But overall, this car just looks so good with the new wheels and coilovers on it. What do you guys think about it? I think it looks amazing. Leave your comments down below. But anyways, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time. Peace.